Welcome. If you use Gmail on your Android phone, enabling incoming call notifications ensures you'll never miss a call linked to your email or Google Meet sessions. With the latest Android updates, the process might be a little different. So here's a clear and updated step-by-step guide to help you turn on incoming call notifications for Gmail. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone's main settings menu. This is where you'll control notifications for all your apps. Next, scroll through the list and tap on Apps. This will bring up every application installed on your device. Find and tap Gmail from the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to type in Gmail for faster access. After tapping on Gmail, select Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification options granted to Gmail on your device. Now, look for notification categories. Not every version of Android uses the exact same wording, but you're looking for something that mentions categories, topics, or types of notifications. Within notification categories, scroll until you see the section labeled Other. Under this category, you'll find the toggle for incoming calls. Just tap the switch to turn incoming calls on. Once it's enabled, your phone will now alert you whenever there's an incoming call tied to your Gmail account, such as Google Meet calls. Turning on this setting is essential if you use Gmail for work meetings, video calls, or just want to stay connected without missing important invitations. If you want to double-check, try sending yourself a test call or ask a friend to invite you to a Meet session. If you see the incoming call alert pop up on your screen, you're all set. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you'll have incoming call notifications enabled in Gmail, keeping you in the loop and ready to respond whenever someone tries to reach you.